You are going to love the 2024 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.